of really great hooks or opening sentences across different types of content. So I want to start with Seth Godin, who is a very famous marketer who writes a blog every single day. He does really good hook sentences to start the blog. So this, for example, is one of his blogs called The Half Apology, and he starts with "What a waste." So that's intriguing. You want to know why. What is a waste? I want to know more. This one, I haven't done a Google search in months. You want to know why. That's quite a bold statement to make. People are Googling constantly every day. So why hasn't he Google searched in months? This one's really good. There's nothing wrong with abundance and joy. You kind of know he's going to go on and say something, but... so you want to read the rest. It's a really great hook. So they're bold statements, they make you want to read more. Here's some examples of how it works in emails. So Eddie writes very good copy newsletter. So he started with, "I asked one of the big AI writing engines a question." So AI catches your attention. You want to know what that question is. So that's a really great hook. And then also, this is another one from Eddie from Very Good Copy. "I was mid-sentence when the client raised his hand." So that is an example of just landing the reader straight into the story. So you want to know, I'm in a story here. I want to know why he raised his hand. So in media res, or landing someone straight in the middle of the story, is a really good technique for creating a hook sentence. So let's have a look at some examples from Instagram. So this is Stu McLaren's Instagram account. He starts with "the 3 big lessons from Taylor Swift." So that is a really great hook because it's almost like a headline. You want to read more. Taylor Swift is everywhere, of course. It really helps in your hook to include something topical or something that people want to read. So that's a really great hook sentence. And I wanted to show you an example of one that's not so great from Entrepreneur Magazine. So you can see they don't actually have a hook sentence here. They just go straight into the story and you almost don't want to read. So I would suggest something like this: "We will not know what is real and what is fake in the next 5 to 10 years" is a better hook sentence. If they'd started with that, you'd want to read why, and then they go into the story. So there's an example of how it sometimes doesn't work. So a hook sentence is really short. It captures the attention. It might ask a question. It might say a bold statement that makes you think twice. It might say something that is counter to popular belief. Anything that's going to stop the scroll or stop someone in their tracks and make them think is a really, really great hook sentence.